Yes, my husband relapsed on gambling. No, I am not leaving him. Yes, I'm pissed the fuck off. Yes, he told his sponsor. Yes, he feels like shit. No, we are not financially okay. No, I do not know the fate of our future. And you're coming with us. I don't know how the fuck we're gonna figure life out. Yo, mind your business.
If you need time, just take your time. Honey, I get it. When you got me all in my head, think I've had you in my bed. Whatever it is, you know I can take it. Counting the days, how many days till I can see you
I take a chicken sausage for dinner. And we do need groceries.
Counting the days, how many days till I can see you again.